friends, welcome back to my channel. On the table I have the 80mm FREEWING F-22 Raptor. Now I've had them all, from the 64 to the 90, all except the 70. I have not had the 70mm yet because the 80 was just released shortly after the 70. So I said, the 80 is the sweet spot for me. So I really enjoyed the 90mm, but it was missed. This, and John says it right, this should have been the 90. This is what the 90 should have been. They should have put lights on it. They should have made it more scale, but I don't know. But it's still a beautiful aircraft. The 90 is still a fantastic flyer. It's just that the 80 is where it's at for me. But yeah, beautiful little aircraft. The wheel's actually smaller compared to the 90, and I understand that the 90 had a big wheel in the front for grass capability. That's the reason why I had a big old wheel. Landing gear doors. I mean, this is like the top of the line F-22 from FREEWING. I don't know, there's other F-22 models out there from different companies, but I haven't seen them, so I can't really comment on those. But as far as I know, the fit and finish on this one is freaking spectacular. It's beautiful. And next week, when I come back I'm going out of town, so I should be back next weekend. I'm gonna be able to do some maiden flights because right now I don't have the time. I wish I did. And I'm trying to put a lot of force into this channel, but also being able to spend time with my family and whatnot. It's not easy. It really isn't. So, and I applaud you guys out there with those big channels. It's a lot of work. It really isn't about just grabbing your phone, recording, and just uploading. No, it really is a lot of work. And you know what? I don't do as much work as these other YouTube channels, as much as they do. They deserve subscribers. They deserve attention. But I'm working my way up there slowly but surely with the time that I am given. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna shut this video down here for now. Stay tuned for the maiden flight. It'll be sometime next week, if weather permits, because at my field, it is windy almost every single time. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe if possible if you haven't already. Peace out, guys.